my caravan.
Oh, hello, butler.
That's my cup too.
Muffin, I'm just using it for the game.
Ready, the ladies. That's my pen too. It's mine. It's mine. It's all mine.
This episode of Bluey is called Camping.
Can you believe it? The butler kicked us out.
Oh, we have to live in the forest.
Not this one. She hasn't had a bath in 3 days.
But I want Stinky.
Goodbye, sweet stinky cook.
Have to make a house out of sticks.
Bonjour.
Hi.
Tu veux jouer avec moi?
Huh?
On joue ensemble?
I don't understand what you're saying. Oh, thanks. These are for my house. My butler kicked me out.
Oh, it's mais non, c'est super. On peut prendre le feuille pour faire les murs.
Oh yeah, these can be the walls.
Oh, c'est très beau. Now we need food to eat. On pourrait planter 5 graines dans le sol pour avoir plein d'arbres.
We could plant those in the ground like farmers. Here. We'll plant this in the ground and it will make a big tree with fruit to eat.
Ça va prendre beaucoup de temps pour grandir.
There. It might take a while. And we need food now. It's a wild pig.
Sanglier!
Bluey, dinner!
See you tomorrow.
À demain!
Bye. Oh wait, my name's Bluey.
Oh, salut Bluey! Je m'appelle Jean-Luc!
See you tomorrow, Jean-Luc.
À demain!
Hey family, let's sing a song.
Yeah!
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Aujourd'hui à l'école, je me suis fait un nouvel ami qui s'appelle Bluey.
Toi?
Je me suis fait un nouvel ami.
Tu as quelque chose?
Mon père m'aime pas, mon